Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another YouTube video. It's your boy Vides coming at you again with another journey together. Let's see, day number 5. Let's see if we can pull some heat. Obviously, we're chasing the Liddy's Clefairy and the Salamence. Let's get it. Alright, let's first one. Let's see, come on, baby girl. I just need something good. It's been 5 days. I just want something good. Alright, let's do a little card trick. Alright, fire energy. Okay. Pum 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 pum. Got a Metang, Ninobat, Rockruff, Caterpie, Bizaron, Hop's Choice Band, Articuno, Seek Trick, Reverse, Hollow, Slime Eagle, and a Mamoswine XEX.